Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about the different types of soil. So before moving on to different types of the soil, we should know what is soil. So soil means the uppermost layer of the earth's crust, which contains the organic as well as mineral matter necessary for the growth of plant. It is the most important natural resource and forms the topmost layer of the earth. It is formed by the weathering of rocks. And the weathering means breaking down or dissolving of rocks and minerals into small particles due to wind, water, ice, acids, salts, plants, animals, and changes in the temperature, etc. Sand, silt, and clay are of different sizes and have different properties. So, depending on the proportion of these particles in the soil, soils are of different types. Now, what are the different types of soils? See, depending upon the proportion of sand, silt and clay, soil are of mainly three types. Number 1, sandy soil. Number 2, clay soil. Number 3, loamy soil. Let's just discuss about the sandy soil. This soil mainly contains large-sized sand particles and clay silt may be present in traces. The space between the sand particles is quite large and filled with air, so it is well aerated. Due to large spaces between the particles, it cannot hold much water and therefore it is dry and light. It can be plugged easily and it cannot hold nutrients. Next, we are going to discuss about the clay soil. This soil mainly contains small sized clay particles and silt are present in traces. Since the space between the clay particle is quite small, so these are compactly arranged. Very little amount of air can be trapped in this soil as the space between the clay particles is quite small. It can hold much water and tends to be heavy and wet. It is difficult to plug and it cannot hold nutrients. Last but not the least, we are going to discuss about the loamy soil. It contains clay, sand and silt in right proportion. Humus is also present in the loamy soil, so it is most fertile soil. It has sufficient amount of water holding capacity. It can hold sufficient air for the growth of plant because of the presence of adequate spaces between the particles. Loamy soil can be plugged very easily and it can hold the necessary nutrients for the growth of plants. So that is the reason generally loamy soil is preferred for growing the plants in comparison with the sandy or the clay soil. Thank you for watching the video.